So here's how to fix. There was a problem with NVIDIA app on Windows 11. So first you want to right click on the Windows icon and then go to Device Manager. And in here you should click on the display adapters. Then select your NVIDIA GPU, right click on it and select update drivers. And in here you want to search automatically for drivers. Now if it finds any drivers, it should start downloading them. Otherwise you can search for updates or for updated drivers on Windows updates. And then you can download and install any pending updates related to drivers in here. You can as well go to advanced options and then optional updates. And then select any GPU related updates in here by checking the box next to it and then click on download and install. Now once you install the updates, you can close it. What you can do as well is try to, if it works for you, try to run the NVIDIA app by searching for the NVIDIA app. You can also download the drivers from the drivers section in here. Now try to run the NVIDIA app as administrator to see if that fixes the problem. Now if you still have the problem, what you can do is try to uninstall the app and perform a clean install. So right click Windows icon and go to installed apps, and in here search for NVIDIA. And then select the first NVIDIA app, click the three dots in here and click uninstall, and then click uninstall again. Now once it completes uninstalling the NVIDIA app, open your browser, and then in the search bar type NVIDIA app, and then click on the first link, then click download now. And then once it completes the download, you just need to double click and install the NVIDIA app again. Now once you run it as administrator, it should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.